This machine no contact, no friction, and no stress can protect the surface of brittle materials and minimize damage to the substrate. Therefore, it is also suitable for some materials with low ignition point, such as wood, PVC, etc. After cleaning, the temperature difference of the material surface is controlled between 10 to 15 degrees Celsius. We adopt a high-speed digital motor wobble design, which can switch freely between multiple cleaning modes. The scan width can be adjusted freely.